Yes. Good evening, sir. It's great to
Good
have you, sir.
evening.
So
Thank
just
you.
before we start, I
Okay.
just want a brief introduction about you. How is your coaching institute during this pandemic? A brief introduction about your journey. That's all, sir.
Okay. Fine. Say, I'm running a coaching institute basically named by Chanakya the Guru. It's basically based at Hamirpur, which is I can say one of the most literate district in Himachal Pradesh. As far as my journey is concerned, basically I'm a researcher, and I have a doctorate in botany. I'm a researcher in child psychology. Apart from that, I did my law. I'm a law graduate. Then I'm a business manager.
Yes, sir.
Just I have worked in corporate and just started to just make a start off from this place. It is my native place, so I thought to just come back and start my journey with the coaching sector.
Okay, sir.
I felt the need in my previous times that how I can just go to the students and capture their attention and moreover motivate them to just work on the things. So that was the prime motive to come into the coaching sector.
Okay.
Uh, this is you asked me the question and that how we have just dealt with the pandemic or dealing with the pandemic
Yes, sir. Like
till
means
now.
does this pandemic has brought a shift in the coaching market, and how are the teachers dealing with the students, and how is it like?
Frankly speaking, I think most of the industry was not mentally prepared to for this pandemic, and they were not exactly were in a pattern that how to deal with it. But as soon as it started and I spread it in India, I
Yes,
just started working on it. So though before that we were working with some other things like online and test series with the assistance of Veniol, and through live classes we had to come in. We had to do number of things because already we were versed with the you can say well versed with this kind of thing like how to deal with the online test series because that was the primary requirement in the previous times.
yes, sir.
But suddenly it happened. It broke out. It wasn't easy. Rather, it wasn't easy to just come up with that because most of the faculties they were not trained and people were not having a mindset to just go with the online kind of teaching.
Yes,
Even
yes.
I want to share a few of the things. Even we were running the online test series first I think 2 years, so I think we have been there for at least 2 years with the Viniol.
Oh,
So,
that's great. Yes.
so we had having a great experience, but most of the students were still not taking up the online test series at that point of time.
Yes, sir.
This time pandemic actually taught them that they have to go completely online.
Yes,
But
yes.
okay, we were okay with it. But there was again a concept of online teaching, live classroom programming. So we just came up with that. We trained our teachers first of all in a very first hand, and
Yes.
thereafter we came up with the new concept of a teaching and learning process.
Yeah.
Still, the mindset is still developing. I think so. It's not very much change in the people's mindset. Still, it's evolving because in the initial period, it was a notion in the minds of the people that a pandemic will over very, very easily.
Very soon.
It will
Yeah.
go very soon, and we will resume the normal classrooms.
Mm-hmm.
But by the day, we had announced earlier that it is not that much easy as you are thinking of.
Yes, yes,
It
yes.
will go long,
Agree.
and now they have started I can say facing all these things now. So they are
Okay.
realizing that whatever advice by our mentors or our we kind of people, so now they are little I think now getting serious
Yes.
about this business that they have to go with this kind of thing.
Yeah. And sir, considering the pressure, sir, how do you make sure that the students are mentally healthy? Means as a teacher, so what advice do you have for students? Means who are going to appear for their entrance examinations? Like how do they cope with the stress? How do they be on track so that they get good grades at the end of the day?
See, being motivational and inspiring and inspiration to the people, we have also done a good education. We had done a good student during our times. So
Yes.
whatever the pressure we had felt at that point of time, So we are sharing the stories with the people that this is how the stress can be handled. And I have already told you that actually I'm into the methodology research and child psychology research.
Yes,
So
sir.
that is means how the pressure can be dealt with, how the student can go with it. We are, you can say, telling them the stories, the inspirational stories, that how we can be taken up. Moreover, we normally coach our students actually,
Mhm.
that you can say life is more important than anything else.
Yes.
Even today I was discussing with the I can say some of the person who was a director in Bollywood. So he was my friend. So he
Yes.
was asking, he was there for his son's counseling. So even today I see that there are two kind of people who are doing these things. One is the student who is preparing for entrance
Entrance
exam.
exams. Yes.
One is who is preparing for something to do.
Mhm.
Something means one is preparing to be a doctor, one is preparing to be an engineer, one is preparing
Mhm.
to be say like IAS or administrative officer, or somebody
Yes.
is trying to be an actor. Basically, for what you are preparing is you will get most of that.
Mhm.
If you are preparing for an entrance exam, you are going to qualify it sooner or later. It's
Yes,
not
sir.
about that this year. It may be next year. It may be next to next year. So journey is not going to stop. But we have to think of, because if you are preparing for entrance exam only, not for getting to be a very good doctor, not to be a very good engineer or a professional or a good human, then you are going to crack only entrance exam. And if you do not crack it in a very first attempt, what shall be there? There shall be a sort of thing you will create a pressure for yourself,
Self. Yes. Yes. Yes, sir.
right? So that pressure is going to be mounted
Mhm.
to a greater extent.
Yeah.
You have to avoid this actually. Being a mentor, I just want to say to the students, don't prepare yourself for the competition, prepare yourself for the life. That is
For
more
life.
important,
Yes.
right? Because
That's a great point, sir.
it's yes, because if we will prepare for our life, obviously we will be a very good professional in our life.
Yes. Yes.
we
Yes.
will
Agreed,
we
sir.
will
Agreed.
deal the life very professionally, and we shall be happy guys thereafter, right?
Yes.
So this is what we want to do. And any student or any person who is dealing with the stress, because stress is going to be mounted even during these days. Some students are there who are preparing again for the entrance exams
Entrance
for
exams.
2 years,
Dropout.
3 years, or dropouts. So the pressure is definitely generated on them. So better it is that they should start considering that life is more important, and they have to be a doctor, but not at the cost of life, right?
Yes. And one
It
more
should
thing,
be
sir.
there,
You're using Vinol since 2 years, right?
right? Yeah.
So, what are the features that you find more fascinating? How Vinol is helping your coaching institute, sir?
See, it's Vinyol. First of all, the team is very cooperative. Whenever we
Yes.
call, they rectify the things according to our choices. Moreover, as a customization is very important. No, most of the time I'm talking to the team, Vinyol team, that this is what I want. Say they do at once. That's one of the best thing I would like to say, and would like to congratulate the team that they are just very, very much attentive and very much quick in finding out the solutions to the problems. Apart from that, the second one is we can say the generation of quiz, the customization already
Yes.
they
Yes.
have
Yes.
done is very good. Moreover, the flow, it is being never interrupted. It goes free flow. You have a number of other options, features like um, analysis
Yeah.
analysis
Yeah.
of the student. It is available one-to-one analysis, it one to the rest analysis.
Yes.
That is very important. Student comes to know that where he is lacking. So means these are the very good feature. Means overall the product is very good. If I think so, we're testing Fintabulous. It's very good. And moreover, one more feature I just want to you can say adapt that if you sometimes you have a very good bunch of say questions.
Mm-hmm.
So even if the teacher doesn't like it, some of the question, and just want to put some of his questions, you have the Vinual has given you access to this, that you
Yes.
can add up your questions of your own choice, which you think that it is more fit, and you have your own question, so you can develop that one. These are the few things which are very good in Vinual. Means overall the product is very good, but Vinual, the effort that the team is making, that is much more, you can say, than whatever the things are.
That's great to hear, sir. So coming on to the last question, sir. If you
Yeah,
wanted
sure.
to describe Vinual in one word, sir, what would that word be?
It's not about one word game. It's
Or a sentence, sir.
basically,
Or a sentence. Whatever
or
that
a
is.
sentence. Uh, I'll say it's wonderful.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thanks a lot, sir. It's
Yeah,
great to have teachers like you on board, sir. Thanks a lot, sir.
yeah, yeah. Welcome. You're
Thank
most
you.
welcome. You're
Thanks a lot, sir.